Thank you for your interest in serving on Westminster's Welcome Ministry Team. The Welcome Team is perfect for members who want to serve our church but need flexibility because each volunteer chooses the Sundays that work best with their schedules and no additional training is needed beyond watching this short video. The Welcome Team consists of two types of greeters, door greeters and desk greeters. Door greeters are responsible for welcoming members and visitors into the church with a smile and a friendly hello. They arrive at the narthex 25 minutes before the worship service begins, and after putting on the greeter badge, which is kept at the welcome desk, they take their positions at the doors in the narthex that lead out to the parking lot. Door greeters are encouraged to direct questions to the welcome desk or deacons in the narthex. This avoids congestion at the door and provides an opportunity for the desk greeters to share our visitor bags and informational brochures. Door greeters remain at their post until after the worship service begins, and they no longer see people trickling in from the parking lot. After returning the greeter badge to the welcome desk, volunteers are welcome to attend the worship service or go home. The time commitment for this position is approximately 30 minutes. Volunteers can sign up for this position as much as their schedules allow. Please click on the link at the end of this video to sign up for a shift today. For volunteers who enjoy more interaction with members and visitors, the desk greeter position will be a perfect fit. Desk greeters arrive in the narthex 25 minutes before the worship service, and after putting on the How Can I Help badge, they stand next to the welcome desk. Desk greeters are prepared to give directions to the sanctuary, balcony, child care wing, and bathrooms. They are also eager to share the printed materials kept at the welcome desk that provide information about Sunday school options, Wednesday night activities, and small group opportunities, as well as offering welcome bags to visitors. Desk greeters are not expected to know everything about our church. They are just the starting point for questions. If approached with questions beyond what is covered in the printed materials provided at the desk greeters are encouraged to refer individuals to a deacon or elder or obtain the contact information of the person asking so a church officer can follow up. Once the worship service begins and there's no longer anyone arriving from the parking lot, desk greeters turn the desk toward the sanctuary and may attend the service. Desk greeters return to the desk after the benediction as the congregation sings the doxology so that they're available to hand out welcome bags or answer questions as people leave the sanctuary. The time commitment for this position is approximately 50 minutes, 30 minutes before the service begins, and then approximately 20 minutes after it ends. Volunteers can sign up for this position as much as their schedules allow. Please click on the link at the end of this video to sign up for a shift today. For a quick review and comparison of the two positions, door greeters arrive 25 minutes before the service, stand at the doors exiting to the parking lot, and remain in place until the service begins. Desk greeters arrive 25 minutes before the service begins, stand at the welcome desk, hand out visitor bags and printed materials, answer basic questions, and return to the desk after the service ends. The Welcome Team uses the website SignUp. Please note this is different from the website SignUp Genius to fill the positions needed each Sunday. Volunteers will be guided to create an account, and then they can scroll through the dates, look for openings that fit their schedules, and then sign up for that spot. The website sends a confirmation email, so please check your spam folder if you don't see an email in your inbox. It will also send a reminder a few days before your shift. If you have any questions or would prefer to just email or text the dates that you're interested in serving instead of using the website, please contact Christine Zients at cmzajonc@hotmail.com or text her at 423-794-8484.